In today's video, we're taking a look at how to fix or tighten a loose toilet seat easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and went to sit on the throne. And for a moment there, you felt like you were gonna slip and fall through. And that is not a good look for royalty. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. The first thing that we wanna do is locate our throne. Because the last thing you want is to fix somebody else's one. We're gonna open the tabs on the hinges located in the back of the toilet seat. You can usually open them using your fingers, but you can always use a flathead screwdriver for any help. And what this would do is give us access to the screws, which there are two, one on the left side and one on the right side. And this is what basically holds your seat down to the toilet and avoids your kingdom from slipping from the throne to the floor, therefore avoiding questions about loyalty to the kingdom. Now, if we follow that screw all the way to the dark side of the toilet, we'll notice a nut that holds the screw in place. This is the part of the video where using gloves is optional. Only you know how clean the dark side is. And usually this is the line of the defense that falls first. Here we can notice if they're loose and they need any tightening. And if it needs any tightening, what we want to do is hold the nut at the same time that we tighten down the screw. And remember the ancient rule passed down generation to generation of lefty loosey, righty tighty. In some cases, the screw or the nut thread might be stripped and you feel like you're tightening and tightening, but it doesn't tighten. This could be regular wear and tear or any dirt and grime or water damage accumulated by the years. In this case, we want to remove the entire nut and screw assembly. But let's say you replace the screw and nut, then it can be that the hinges on your particular toilet seat are damaged. In this case, it might be necessary to remove the entire seat. Once we remove both screws, the seat should come off easily. And now that you have reclaimed your throne and you showed the vast lands of your power, we're ready to reverse engineer ourselves to glory. We're gonna get our new toilet seat, open the tabs on the hinges, place our seat on the toilet seat and align it to our desired position. We're basically gonna do the same thing backwards. We're gonna place the screw, place the nut, hold it tight. Meanwhile, we screw it all the way in. And remember, once you feel it tight, that's good enough. Remember, because it's plastic, you don't want to over tighten. If you notice on our throne, we have a bidet installed. If you want to see how that's done, we'll leave a link of that video on the description. We repeat for both sides and then close the tabs. And now you've done it. You become a dark side tightener. You become a black belt on bolt and screws. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.